Hello and good morning. I hope your morning is as bright as your smile. I am Miss Damanjot Kaur and I will be teaching you subject English first of class 2. Here is your next lesson, lesson 12, the Children's Day. Lesson 12, the Children's Day. It was 14 November. This day is celebrated as Children's Day. All the children were very happy. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on this day. He loved children very much. That is why children called him Chacha Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Students, I know you all are very excited to learn this lesson because this lesson is based upon Children's Day only. Okay, so here when we are celebrating Children's Day, 14th November, and this day is celebrated as Children's Day only. Okay. On this day, children used to be very happy. And on this day only, Jawaharlal Nehru ji was born. He was loving children very much. That is why all children call him Chacha Nehru. What we are calling Chacha Nehru. And he was the first Prime Minister of India. हम चिल्ड्रंस डे कब मनाते हैं? 14 नवंबर को. तो वो दिन स्पेशली चिल्ड्रंस के लिए होता है और बच्चे भी उस दिन बहुत खुश होते हैं. वही दिन कौन सा है? जब जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने जन्म लिया था और वे बच्चों से भी बहुत प्यार करते थे. तो बच्चे उन्हें क्या नाम से पुकारते थे? चाचा नेहरू. ये याद रखेंगे कि क्या नाम से पुकारते थे? चाचा नेहरू. और वे हमारे फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी थे. ओके. Things to remember about Jawaharlal Nehru ji. He was born on 14th November. We call him Chacha Nehru and our first Prime Minister of India. As the children reached the school, many shouted, "See, balloons!" They were big bunches of flower on the main gate. A big poster read, "Happy Children's Day." The children went to their classrooms. The classrooms gave a new look. They were decorated beautifully. सभी बच्चे स्कूल पहुंचते हैं. उनमें से एक है मिनी, जो स्कूल की तरफ देखकर कहती है, देखो हमारे स्कूल में बलून्स लगे हैं और उनके स्वागत के लिए फूल भी लगाए गए हैं और लिखा गया है हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे. फिर सभी बच्चे अपने क्लासरूम्स में जाते हैं. क्लासरूम्स में जाके वे देखते हैं कि क्लासरूम बहुत ही बदली हुई है और अच्छे से सजाई गई है. Neha saw something on the blackboard. Oh, it was a lovely greeting card. It was made by teachers for them. They were all very happy and excited. Another student, Neha, saw something written on the blackboard. Can you guess what it's written? Happy Children's Day. And she was very happy to see that. For the childrens, the teachers have made surprises for them like greeting card. Soon it was the time for the morning assembly. They were all waiting eagerly. They knew it was going to be special. All the children gathered in the playground. They sat in rows. There was a mic and a table at the center. There was many boxes on the table. जल्द ही मॉर्निंग असेंबली होने वाली थी और सभी बच्चे इंतज़ार कर रहे थे कि आज का दिन कुछ खास होने वाला है। वे सभी असेंबली के लिए प्लेग्राउंड में आते हैं और रोज़ में बैठ जाते हैं। बच्चे देखते हैं कि स्टेज में माइक लगा हुआ है और टेबल भी रखा हुआ है और उनके लिए शायद कुछ सरप्राइजेस भी हैं, बॉक्सेस भी हैं टेबल में। मिस वनीता, their English teacher, announced, "Good morning, children. We are ready to begin with our special program." Everyone clapped. Their teachers stood in a group. They sang a song about children. After the song, the principal greeted the children. Then there was a funny play. The program began when Miss Vanita, their English teacher, announced, "Good morning, children." After the announcement, everyone clapped. Then their teachers stood in a group. They sang a song for the children. When the teachers completed the song, after that principal met all the students and wished them Happy Children's Day. After that, there was a funny play. It was about a boy who troubled teachers. Their games teacher, Mr. Robin, acted as the naughty boy. The children laughed a lot. Then their science teacher held a quiz. She asked questions and the children answered. There was a lot of noise. Each question carried points. Standard fifth won as they scored maximum points. After the quiz, some teachers in colorful dresses stood in a row. Soon the music started. The teachers danced to the music of a folk song. The children clapped cheerfully. बच्चों, अब यहाँ पे टीचर्स एक फ़नी प्ले मीन्स ड्रामा करते हैं जिसमें मिस्टर रॉबिन सर एक बच्चे का किरदार निभाते हैं जो कि बहुत बदमाश होता है। तो यही सब बच्चे देखकर बहुत हंसते हैं। फिर उनकी साइंस टीचर एक क्विज़ करती हैं जिसमें कि क्वेश्चंस को पूछा जाता है और बच्चों को जवाब देना होता है। ऐसे में साइंस टीचर क्वेश्चन पूछते गए और हर एक क्लास में से कोई ना कोई बच्चा आंसर करता गया। तो आखिरी में कौन सी क्लास फर्स्ट आई? क्लास फिफ्थ। क्विज़ के बाद कुछ टीचर्स ने परफॉर्म किया एक फोक सॉन्ग में। बच्चों को वह बहुत अच्छा लगा और उन्होंने ताली बजाई। बच्चों, आप सभी ने स्कूल में ये सब प्रोग्राम देखा होगा। टीचर्स आपके लिए कुछ स्पेशल हमेशा करते हैं। कभी वे गाना गाते हैं, कभी वे डांस करते हैं, कभी वे आपके लिए ड्रामा करते हैं और बहुत सारी मस्ती भी करते हैं ताकि बच्चों को अच्छा लग सके, वे भी एंजॉय कर सके. In the end, the teachers distributed sweets to the children. The teachers had worked hard to make them feel happy. The children kept thinking of the wonderful program and the fun they had. Now, all the programs had been finished, and now it's time for the teachers to distribute some sweets to the children. So, they distributed sweets. Whole day, the teachers were working hard so that the children will feel happy. बच्चों ने प्रोग्राम को एंजॉय किया. वे उसी के बारे में सोचते रहे कि हमने कितना मज़ा किया. Some word power. Number 1, folk song, a traditional song. Number 2, plan, to decide how to do something. Number 3, excite, to give rise to thrill. Number 4, quiz, a test of knowledge. Number 5, cheerful, happy. Thank you, students.